Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Katrina, also known as Princess K, and I'm back with another video for you guys. But before we start, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. A lot more of you have been subscribing and interacting with me, and I love it. It's like the best feeling in the world. So today's video is going to be on the new Patrick Starr collaboration and also the previous one that he came out with not too long ago. So I received the new one, which is the Summer Star collaboration, and I just wanted to play with both of them in this video and shed light on both of them and see what I thought, how I felt about them, and create this look right here and kind of just, I don't know, I just wanted to get in front of the camera and create a look for you guys. So if you want to see how I achieved this look and my thoughts and opinions on both collaborations, then keep on watching. So just real quick, I'm going to focus on the Summer Star collab first because that one is newer and it comes out pretty soon. So the Summer Star collab will be available online June 4th and in stores on June 7th. This collab is a 5-piece collection. It comes with an eyeshadow palette, a face powder, which is kind of like a highlighter, a bronzing powder, and then 2 lip glosses. So you can get the face powder, the 2 lip glosses, and the eyeshadow palette for $49. I don't know if they're selling them individually so far. I've only seen that it comes in kind of like a face kit type of thing, so that is $49. And then you can get the hot and heavy kind of like face highlighter, face powder for $34. And now I'm going to go ahead and show you the Patrick Starr collaboration that is already available, which is the Me So Fleek collaboration. So I'm looking at the website and it's kind of the same exact thing as the new collaboration that is coming out really soon. It's kind of like a face kit. They don't sell individually except for the separate hot and heavy with this new collaboration, but other than that, it's a whole entire like face kit bundle. You cannot buy them individually. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what comes in the Me So Fleek collaboration that is already out and it's still available at MacCosmetics.com. So same thing as the other face kit. It comes with a 4-quad eyeshadow palette. It comes with a powdered blush duo. It comes with a fluorescent pink lip gloss. And then it comes with a retro matte lipstick. And like I mentioned before, both of these face kits go for $49.50. So now I'm gonna just go ahead and jump into creating a look. So let's get into that right now. I kind of don't know what look, but I do want to incorporate both collaborations because I didn't get to do a video with the first collaboration or the second collaboration. So I'm going to go ahead and do the 2 most recent collaborations. So let's go ahead and create a look. But actually, before we get into creating a look, I'm going to go ahead and show you swatches of the eyeshadow palettes, and then I'll show you swatches of the other products as I go down and go ahead and use them. Here are swatches of the new collaboration, which is the Summer Star. So the 2 matte colors didn't swatch that well, and this one seems to be oxidizing just a little bit on my hand. I'm actually not too familiar with MAC eyeshadows. I honestly don't even think that I own a lot of them, and I don't really use them, but these 2 were definitely like so pigmented and beautiful. But this one is just oxidizing just a little bit, or I don't know like what's going on when I swatch that, but that's what that one's doing. And then here are swatches of the Me So Fleek collaboration. These ones definitely swatched a lot better. None of them are oxidizing. They were super pigmented and swatched really nicely. I didn't have like a hard time like I did with the brown shade from the newer collaboration, but this one swatched really nice. I'm living for this like cobalt blue right here. This one is just so pretty, so kind of want to incorporate that in something. So I'm going to go ahead and work in the Summer Star palette first. Now I'm just a little scared because I can't do much with this one right here except for maybe like set my concealer. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. I'm gonna try to utilize as many colors as I can because I do think that I can pull these colors off. So I'm gonna go ahead and try. So I'm gonna take this color right here. It's actually coming off a little bit darker on the brush, so let's see. And I'm gonna be using a Morphe M513 brush. You can use my code princess to get money off your next Morphe order. I'm gonna just go ahead and set that all over my lid. Okay, so I guess it is showing up just a little bit. It's looking a little like skin tone color for me, which I'm not mad at. I probably would actually use this though to set and like start out as my transition color because it is soft. It's not deep enough like an orange, but it's nice enough on my skin tone. So now I'm gonna jump into the Miso Fleek palette, and I'm gonna be taking this kind of like mauve toned pink color, and I'm gonna be taking that into my transition again and kind of into my crease. And I'm gonna be using a Morphe M518 brush. Ooh, yeah, that's pretty. I like this color. Ooh, I like that color. So still working in the Miso Fleek palette, I want to take this like fuchsia pink color and I want to add that into my crease. I want to see how that one looks. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm a little nervous, but I'm going to be taking a Morphe M507 brush because I just want to be a little bit more precise because I don't want this color to spread and go everywhere because I don't know how it's going to apply. But so I'm gonna take that into my crease. I want to do a colorful look, so I'm doing a colorful look, but I gotta go out later on tonight, so you know, I'm kind of like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. But so back into the Summer Star palette. I'm very curious to see how this brown shade is gonna work. So I wanna try it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the brown shade. It oxidized on my hand. So I'm thinking that if it oxidized on my hand, that maybe it'll oxidize on my eye and just be a little bit deeper. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it out and experiment. Hopefully this works. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this brown color right here. I'm gonna be taking another Morphe M506 brush and I'm gonna try. Okay, so yeah, no, it's definitely not deepening it up, but honestly I don't really know if I can mix like a pink with this type of shade. So these just aren't complementary colors, so I'm just not gonna do that one, which is fine. I mean, trial and error, that's how you figure out what works and what doesn't work. So I'm gonna go back into that pink shade just to fix this. I'm gonna go into that pink shade, but then I feel like it did do something though, but it's okay. Well, now I have to even it out because it is looking a little bit different, and I guess it did deepen it up some, which is okay. And you know what, I'm gonna actually do something a little bit different. So I'm gonna show this part of me adding this in here, because what I can do is after I cut my crease I can add it and then it will deepen it up. So that's the plan. We gotta make things work, guys. We gotta make things work. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. I'm gonna be using my regular concealer, which is the Too Faced concealer in dark, and then I'm gonna be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills 18 brush, and I'm gonna cut my crease, but nothing crazy. I'm just gonna focus on my lid area. So let's go ahead and do that. And so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. And I'm not even really cutting my crease. I'm kind of just cleaning up my lid area, my lid space, so I can apply my lid shadow. So for this look, I'm gonna work in both palettes. I'm gonna take both of the lighter shimmer shades. So from the Miso Fleek palette, I'm gonna be taking this lighter color right here in this top corner. And then from the Summer Star palette, I'm gonna be taking this shade right here. And before I do that, you already know I gotta spray my Morphe setting mist on my brush. They apply really nicely, but I just don't like applying shadows dry. Now I'm gonna jump into the darker shade from the Summer Star collab. So now I'm gonna go back into that dark brown shade from the Summer Star palette, and I am going to kind of like blur the lines between the two. So this is what I'm working with the eye right now. So I'm really liking this so far. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my like lashes, liner. I think I am gonna do kind of like a baby liner. I'm gonna apply that offline. I'm gonna apply that off camera, all that other stuff like the liner, lashes, and then I will come back, finish the rest of the eye, and then move on to the face. So now I'm gonna work on the lower lash line. I was really drawn to the blue color in the Miso Fleek palette, but I feel like so many people did that look kind of with it and they incorporated that blue. So just to focus a little bit more on the newer collaboration, I'm gonna focus on this color right here. I'm gonna take this across my entire lower lash line, but I'm gonna swatch it one more time just to show you guys what it looks like. That's what it's coming off on my finger. And then this is what it's swatching like on the back of my hand. Just, ugh. So pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that color, and to apply it I'm gonna be using an Anastasia A13 brush, but I am going to spray my brush just to make sure that it's intense and pigmented. So I'm gonna do that. How do we feel? And then once I add the bottom mascara, you know, girl, I like it though. I kind of feel like it gives it a pop, you know, because if I would have did that blue, it's something that you've already seen before in my Makeup Shayla collaboration, so I want to keep things fresh and new. So now moving on to the face portion. Now the new collaboration comes out with a face bronzer, like a bronzer powder called Give Me Life. Now Patrick Starr is a lot lighter than me. He is on the more tan side, but still I'm a lot darker. So I don't necessarily think that this color will work for me. It's just too light. Like the bronzers and stuff that I use are way darker than this. But I will swatch it so you guys can see what it looks like. But it's that color right there. It's way too light. So I'm really not even gonna try to apply it because I don't want to mess up my makeup. So the next two things that we have are the actual products that I can use. So the first one is the highlighter face powder from the Summer Star collaboration. This is what the highlighter face powder looks like. It is a opalescent, so it's more kind of on the frosty side, but I'm gonna go ahead and swatch that. Let's see if I can use this. Okay, that's pretty. I think I can get away. It's kind of giving me like low-key Reezy vibes, but that is what it's looking like. Yeah, I feel like I can use that. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. So I'm gonna be using a Morphe M501 brush. Don't forget that you guys can use my code PRINCESS to get like all of these brushes from Morphe. I like this. I like this color. I feel like it's more so depth of like a face powder rather than a actual like highlighter with shimmers in it, because it kind of just like sits nicely on the skin. On the camera it's coming off really nice, and in person it's kind of like when I'm this way it's not too much, and it only reflects if I show the light, which I'm liking, so it's not too much, and it's nice enough to make my cheekbones stand out. They're looking real, you know, snatched right now, you know. Okay, go ahead. I like this one. I would probably pay $34 for something like this because I like it. It's more like a powder definitely than it is like a highlighter, you know. So from the Miso Fleek palette there is a powdered blush duo, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this. I'm gonna focus on the darker shade right here, and I'm gonna be using a Morphe M510 brush. I'm gonna just place this on the balls of my cheeks. Blush just gives you that like awake, flirty type of look. I think that's perfect for like summer and for spring. So I like this one. I like that they gave you 2 different shades. I probably still could pull off the lighter one too if I wanted something a little bit more subtle. So both collection comes with 2 lip options. The Summer Star collection comes with 2 lip glasses, which are lip glosses, which are more on the nude side. This one is more of a pinky nude, and then this one is more of an orangey nude right here. Then the Miso Fleet collaboration, it came with a kind of like fluorescent pink lip gloss, which is a lip gloss. It came with a plum lipstick. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch everything on 2 different arms to show you guys what they look like. So here are the 2 lip glosses from the new collaboration, the Summer Star. So this one is definitely more on the nude side, and then this one is more maybe like a nude for my skin tone. And then these are the swatches for the Miso Fleet collaboration, definitely on the more fuchsia side. But for the look, I want to keep it like nice and fresh and like awake. So I think I'm gonna go with the lip glosses from the Summer Star collaboration. So I'm definitely thinking I'm gonna focus more on Fashion Punch, which is this one right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips using my Rimmel London Coffee Bean. So that is it for the whole entire kind of like review demo on both collaborations, the Miso Fleek and the Summer Star collaboration. I honestly do think that, I mean, I wouldn't expect Patrick Starr to come out with anything, you know, bad, because he knows his makeup, and MAC, of course, their products are always really great. So I probably wouldn't mind paying $50, $49.50 for the both collaborations. I would probably lean more towards the Summer Star collaboration. I feel like that's a little bit more my speed. I do like the Miso Fleek with the pop of colors, but I would probably go more towards the Summer Star collaboration and really just focus on the face kit and not the face powder, because obviously that won't work for me. I'm a little bit too dark for that face powder to work. Don't forget that the Summer Star collaboration is available online June 4th and in stores June 7th, which will be a MAC, of course. It is collaboration with MAC and Patrick Starr. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. I really appreciate it when you guys do take the time to subscribe to my little videos. But don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell button, and don't forget to check out one of these videos and comment down below what you think about both collaborations and how you feel. But I hope to see you guys next time.